best innovative virtual reality companies in the world today. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Tech Region. Today we will be talking about something very interesting. Have you heard about virtual reality? If yes, let me know in the comment section below. I will be looking forward to your answers. So let us not waste any further time and tell you everything that the video's title includes. Let me first tell you what virtual reality is. A computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional picture or environment may be interacted with in a supposedly real or physical fashion by a person wearing specific electronic equipment, such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves equipped with sensors. Along with augmented and virtual reality, 360-degree video is altering the nature of the visual experience. Virtual reality may reshape entire industries by combining a realm of visual intelligence with the physical world. However, as technology progresses, there is a greater desire for better, quicker storage. While expanding storage may appear to be as simple as adding additional storage, offering such a service necessitates technology beyond current consumer-grade hardware. For example, the amount of data necessary to generate a 360-degree 4K immersive landscape is enormous, but the amount of storage required for such an experience is much more. To accommodate these extra video files, data centers will require 10 to 20 times the storage they already have. About a zettabyte of storage will be moved, exchanged, and consumed via telecom networks within the next few years. This need for computer power will be driven by the demand for immersive, responsive, and aesthetic experiences. Virtual reality allows viewers to see items and forms that are not physically there, paving the door for new ways to preview structures, machinery, and even vehicles before they are created. Augmented reality will improve classroom learning experiences and personalized global communication. Holographic video conversation may become commonplace. Consider how much holographic video conversation will involve more in 10 years. Let us now talk a bit about the history of virtual reality. The first stereoscope, which used twin mirrors to produce a single image, was created in 1838. This later evolved into the Viewmaster, which was patented in 1939 and is still in production today. Sensorama, which debuted in 1956, replicated a real-world metropolitan setting that you rode through on a motorbike. Another inventor proposed the ultimate display in 1965, a head-mounted gadget that would act as a window into a virtual universe. Despite being a decades-old technology, many people are still confused with the notion of virtual reality. It is also common to mix up virtual reality and augmented reality. The primary distinction between the two is that VR creates the reality in which we immerse ourselves using specialized headgear. It is completely immersive, and everything we see is part of an atmosphere that has been created artificially through visuals, sounds, and so on. In augmented reality, AR, on the other hand, our actual environment becomes the framework inside which objects, pictures, or similar are added. As a result, everything we see is real, and wearing a headset may not be completely essential. Pokémon Go is the most obvious and well-known illustration of this principle. Now let us talk about some of the best companies in this field. Snapchat. Since individuals were locked at home during the epidemic, Snap has witnessed a significant increase in usage. According to the firm, daily active users increased to 265 million in Q4 2020, up from 218 million the previous year. Snap also allows corporations like MLB and Nike to integrate Snapchat AR lenses into their apps. Supernatural. Supernatural, a virtual reality training software, provides a collection of full-body workouts that place you in gorgeous surroundings with expert one-on-one fitness coaching. You may enhance the experience even more by selecting from a vast selection of music, and new routines are updated daily. The app started precisely as the pandemic quarantine began, as people looked for motivating workouts that people could do indoors. Valve, which develops virtual reality devices and games, had a successful 2020. Half-Life Alyx has impressed critics and is likely to be the most important mixed reality gaming release of 2020. While the Index VR platform is a touch costly, it is universally regarded as having the finest new controller. A band of cloth wrapped over the user's knuckles detects hand motions. Qualcomm. Making mixed reality spectacles slim enough that people will wear them is the ultimate grail. Qualcomm, as the major provider of both 5G modem chips and image processing processors, might play a significant role in this. Its chips might send a portion of the image processing up to a linked device or a cloud server, removing the need to perform the entire process in the glasses. Nreal, a Chinese firm, was the first to demonstrate what a true mixed reality consumer product looks like. Its development has now been introduced in South Korea with U+, and most recently in Japan with KDDI. Many more goods of this type are anticipated to follow. In addition, Nreal just announced a deal with Deutsche Telekom, implying that it would make its American debut on T-Mobile. Spatial's 3D collaboration environment allows people worldwide to use an avatar to represent themselves in a virtual workplace. The avatar's face is based on a photograph of the user's face. Spatial was released for Oculus Quest, Quest 2 headsets, and Nreal eyewear. Surgical theater. The VR software from Surgical Theater allows doctors to go through and see difficult procedures, including brain surgery, in VR before ever touching the patient. Last March, the startup grabbed national headlines when its software created a 360-degree VR picture of COVID-19's ravages on a real patient's lungs. This year, hospitals learned that the software is also valuable in the informed consent process, since it allows patients to view precisely what a surgeon wants to do to their body before consenting. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Do let me know what you think about it and what you like the most about this video. Until we meet again, goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.